Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Auto CAR NextGen. Today, we're taking a closer look at a pickup that could become one of the most exciting names in the next generation of mid-size trucks, the 2027 Mazda BT-50. Mazda has always been known for creating vehicles that combine stylish design, driving enjoyment, and everyday practicality. But when it comes to the BT-50, the formula becomes even more interesting. Let's take a closer look at the 2027 Mazda BT-50. The first thing that could immediately attract attention on the 2027 Mazda BT-50 is its design. Mazda has developed a recognizable design language over the years, and the next BT-50 could take that philosophy and transform it into something much more powerful. At the front, we could expect a bold interpretation of Mazda's signature grille. Instead of looking like a traditional work truck, the BT-50 could feature a wider and more sophisticated front fascia, giving the pickup a stronger road presence while maintaining Mazda's elegant design identity. Slim LED headlights could sit on both sides of the grille, creating a sharper and more modern appearance. The headlights could feature advanced LED technology with distinctive daytime running lights, giving the BT-50 an instantly recognizable signature at night. The front bumper could also receive a more muscular treatment. Large air intakes, protective lower elements, and a stronger skid plate could give the truck a more rugged personality. Moving toward the side, the 2027 BT-50 could feature a stronger shoulder line running across the body. The wheel arches could become more pronounced, giving the pickup a wider and more planted stance. Depending on the trim level, Mazda could offer large alloy wheels designed to balance style and off-road capability. At the rear, the BT-50 could continue Mazda's modern design philosophy with slim LED taillights and a cleaner tailgate design. The Mazda badge could sit prominently in the center, while the BT-50 nameplate could reinforce the truck's identity. Overall, the exterior design of the 2027 Mazda BT-50 could deliver a fascinating combination of two worlds. Now let's step inside. This is where the 2027 Mazda BT-50 could make one of its biggest improvements. Modern pickup buyers don't just want a vehicle that can carry heavy loads or travel through difficult terrain. They also want comfort, technology, convenience, and an interior that feels premium. Mazda already has a reputation for creating driver-focused cabins, and the next BT-50 could push that philosophy even further. Imagine opening the door and stepping into a cabin featuring premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, refined textures, and carefully designed details. The dashboard could feature a clean horizontal layout, creating a feeling of greater width and space. A large central infotainment display could dominate the center of the dashboard, providing access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and smartphone connectivity. Depending on the final configuration, the system could support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster could also provide the driver with important information such as speed, fuel economy, navigation directions, drive modes, and off-road data. But Mazda could take the technology even further. A larger head-up display could project essential driving information directly into the driver's field of vision. This could allow drivers to maintain focus on the road without constantly looking down at the instrument cluster. The steering wheel could feature a sporty, ergonomic design with multifunction controls. And unlike some modern vehicles that are moving toward fully touchscreen-based controls, Mazda could continue using physical buttons and rotary controls for important functions. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The engine will be one of the most important aspects of the 2027 Mazda BT-50. While exact specifications may vary depending on the market and final production configuration, buyers will likely expect a combination of strong torque, reliable performance, and improved efficiency. The diesel powertrain remains a logical choice for a mid-size pickup because of its strong low-end torque and towing capability. A refined turbocharged diesel engine could provide the BT-50 with the pulling power needed for heavy loads, trailers, and challenging terrain. The key focus could be improved refinement. Modern diesel engines are becoming quieter, smoother, and more efficient, and the next BT BT-50 could benefit from the latest advancements in engine technology. For drivers who spend most of their time in the city, improved fuel efficiency could make the BT-50 more attractive as an everyday vehicle. For adventure enthusiasts, however, the real excitement would come from the four-wheel drive system. An advanced 4WD system could provide improved traction across different surfaces, including mud, sand, gravel, snow, and rocky terrain. Depending on the trim, selectable drive modes could help optimize the vehicle's performance for different environments. The suspension could also be tuned to deliver a better balance between comfort and off-road capability. The 2027 Mazda BT-50, a pickup that could bring together Mazda's signature design philosophy, modern technology, premium comfort, and genuine adventure capability. Of course, the final production model and specifications will depend on Mazda's official announcements and the market in which the vehicle is sold. But if the next BT-50 delivers on the potential we've explored today, it could become one of the most interesting mid-size pickups to watch in the coming years. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the 2027 Mazda BT-50 over a Toyota Hilux, Ford Ranger, or another mid-size pickup? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming videos about the newest cars, futuristic concepts, and next-generation vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.